Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. My name is Wallace here at Wallace at the Greenhouse, and here is my friend Joni, back for the second go-around on this.
I can't figure out why, but it's because it's so much fun, and I have been assured that there are no oysters.
You missed that one last time.
Yes.
All right, well, okay. Real easy today. We're just going to do bruschettas, crostinis, and chutneys, all based for the holiday. Okay?
All right.
That's what we're going to do. To the side. 1/4 inch. You know what? Can I do that this way? No, I can't. I'm not ambidextrous that way.
You're fine. I can see.
Okay. That's going to be
I can do that.
Go for it.
This is so much easier. 1/4
right.
inch. Seems too thick.
Perfect. Go for
Okay.
it. Go for it.
Just-
We're making this simple. We're making it easy. We're making it for the home, for the holidays. Crostinis. All we're going to do is we're going to slice down the bread, 1/4 inch thick. We're going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, stick it inside the oven, 350 degrees, maybe 10 minutes max. Well, considering the thickness, let's make that about 12 minutes max. Yeah.
So
But
what you're saying is you'd like me to cut them thinner.
No. It just means it'll take a little longer to cook. So don't worry at home. If it takes a little longer, don't worry. Just go back and check and make sure you don't burn them. That's all. Real easy. This is what we're going to do. Bread on top of a sheet pan. We have some salt and pepper right over there.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you do by chance have a brush at home, great, no problem. But for those of us who don't, I got 2 tricks for you real quick, real easy.
Paper towel.
Paper towels. Take it.
Totally didn't expect that from you.
Oh, it's okay. Fold it a couple times. There we go. We got our own little brush.
This is like groundbreaking. I have a brush.
In your car?
No. Do I?
Okay.
Do you think I have a brush?
I don't know.
No.
Why wouldn't you?
In my kitchen.
Oh,
I use
okay.
it all the time.
Well, perfect. In case you just don't have a brush and for some reason you can't find it or your in-laws have it. Here we go. So,
It actually
done.
looks like a brush now.
Just like that. Yeah. Okay. Now, that was garlic. I'm sorry, that was regular olive oil. Here at Wallace's, we make our own garlic confit that goes in almost everything. All right, what we do is we take whole cloves of garlic, put it inside some oil, and we just simmer it down 20, 25 minutes until it's just this really nice, soft, ooey gooey, yummy stuff. So, here's the other version. A little bit of that garlic oil on top. There we go.
Oh, wow.
There we go. Just mush it just a little bit. Yeah, so when this guy goes inside the oven, yeah, we're going to have some really, really beautiful on it.
That's
All right.
for sure.
Next up, salt and pepper.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I don't want to do too
Lightly. You got this.
I got
left to right, left to right. You got
left to right.
it. Done.
Okay.
Done.
So you have to start over on the second one?
Yes. think of it almost like a typewriter.
Okay.
Come back.
All right.
Okay, that way at least you're consistent the entire time.
I get it.
Okay? Done. All right, from there we're going to stick this inside the oven, 350 degrees like I said before. 10 to 12 minutes depending on the thickness that you've got. Make sure you don't burn it. Yeah, that's about it. Oven time. Okay, let's do a cranberry chutney.
Yeah, let's.
Shove that cranberry chutney.
She's ready.
Okay. Literally, this is exceptionally easy. I'm going to have you cut some of these pears real quick.
All right.
Here, an even sharper knife.
Any certain way?
Yes, let me start.
Yeah, demonstrate.
There we go. Cut off the base.
Okay.
Here.
They are.
Yes. They are Bartlett's. Now, the reason why I got these, guys, you go to the grocery stores. Yeah. Okay. You may find those super green, pretty ones. I'm sorry. You've got the better taste, the better flavor when they're just getting that nice little brown spots on top there. You don't like the skin? Fine, cut them off. But we're making a chutney out of this, so there's no reason to go ahead and throw it away. But on a regular basis, these guys are the sweeter ones that you can get simply because the sugars inside of it have now matured to, oh my God, this tastes like a pear, or what it should taste like. Sorry.
You were going to go a long ways.
That's okay. You got this.
I do have this.
Yes!
I chop at my house, too.
Yes!
Don't watch.
I won't watch.
Why do you
Okay.
do that? You're just like, okay, instead of doing something else, I'm going to stare at you.
All right, in the meantime, I'll be making the base for it.
Okay.
Cranberries. Now, cranberry sauce. Who makes cranberry sauce at home? Anyone? You will now?
Yeah.
Real easy. Cranberries inside. Water. The thing with cranberries, all you have to do is boil them until they just start to break. The skin starts to break on there. Okay, as soon as that's done, you're pretty much ready. You've got your chutney, you've got your cranberry sauce, or the basis of cranberry sauce, where in that case, all you have to do is just go ahead and blend it a couple more times, strain it off, or puree it, strain it off, let it set in whatever mold you like to go ahead and do. Come back later on and slice.
Just one.
Done! One time.
Put them all in there.
You got it, go for it.
Put them in.
Go for
I just
it.
want to be clear before I do something.
Put them in. How long do cranberries take? Yeah, maybe 20 minutes. So I'm going to bring this up to like a medium-high just to get a quick, rapid boil and then put it down to simmer.
Awesome.
Now, sugar. Cranberries are tart. Sugar goes in. Yeah, it looks like a lot of sugar. Don't worry, though. Don't worry. We're making a jam, we're making a jelly, we're making a chutney, we're making a cranberry jelly. That's the basis of what we're doing here. So it will be okay, don't worry about the sugar. Afterwards, we're gonna taste it and we're gonna say, hey, okay, too much, too less. Do I need to add a little bit more water? Do I need to add a little bit more orange peel, orange juice, anything else like that? Spices now, all right? All right, no, I'm just gonna have you zest.
Oh, I don't
I've
know
never
what
seen
that is. I don't know how to zest.
Okay. This is zester, and this is
Okay.
a channel knife on the back.
Okay.
Okay? What we're going to do is this. That's it.
That's probably the most fun thing on the face of the earth.
And if you turn it around to channel knife, we do this.
When would you want to do that?
This. If we're making cocktails, drinks, anything else like that,
Oh.
use that, turn it around, you've got yourself a nice little twist, or
that.
we can just put it inside here like this.
Sweet.
Yes.
Do you want me to do both of those?
Whatever you'd like. It's easy. This is just
Okay.
meant, this is not meant for the professional restaurant. This is just meant so you can go home and feed your in-laws and come out looking like a rock star.
That is the goal, right?
Done. Done. Okay, we're gonna add all that inside here. Allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger. All right. If I want to just stay in North America cuisine as far as that's concerned, I'm sorry, if I just want to stay in North American cuisine as far as making a cranberry chutney, I would probably not put in the allspice and the ginger. Probably wouldn't. Okay, but being I'm from the Caribbean, oh, it goes in there big time. So it has a pack, it has a punch, we do it. All right, whether it be baking or not, we're putting it in there. Okay, now I'm pretty much gonna put about a teaspoon of everything inside here. If you like it a little bit more of a sweeter, more dessert type jam, as opposed to a chutney jam, add more cinnamon inside there. Make sense? And lastly, sorry, ginger. Done.
Make it the way you would make it.
Yeah, there you go. Now,
How much of this do you need?
oh, all that.
All of it?
All that. Go right
Okay.
ahead, you're doing great. Using the orange peel, all we're doing is we're getting the citric oils that are coming out of the oranges to go ahead and infuse in this. All right, now, yes, I have made her do it the long, long way that I normally wouldn't do in the kitchen,
Just for fun.
just for fun.
Just for fun. Because that's the type of relationship Wallace and I have.
It's okay. Look, that is true. You ready to put them inside here now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's gather all that up together.
Okay.
You got this.
Sprinkle?
Just put it in. Done.
Just a little.
You got this. Just don't say the word bam. I hear it's taken already. So go right ahead. Done.
Bam.
Done. Done. You can't say bam. Done.
Is that copyright
Probably.
infringement or something?
Probably would be.
We don't want
Okay.
to get sued.
No, I can't afford that right now.
None of us can.
Okay. When I make cranberry sauce at the restaurant or any restaurant I've worked on in the past, I'm easily making 40 to 60 pounds at a time.
Wow.
There is no way I'm going to be grating that many oranges. So, Now, depending on your end usage, okay, you may end up using it and say, hey, you know what? I actually like the orange peels inside there. Let me leave a little bit in there. Fine, no problem. If not, all you do is you just pull them out at the very end.
No, white pith is going to make it bitter.
It will make it bitter. I'm about to go ahead and start taking off that white pit right now. No, but good question. You're right on it. Okay, real quickly. We're going to do this. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll bring it around for you right now. Okay, so yep, just filleting off that little pit, that little white pit off of there. So as I was saying, if you're going to end up leaving the peel inside of the chutney or the jam, then go ahead and feel free to cut them this small. Okay. And if you want it even smaller than that because you just can't get around it, do it this way. So we have really fine diced brunoise. All right, that easy. So let's see what we got.
That looks so good.
All right. You can smell it already over there?
Oh my gosh, smells like Christmas, doesn't it?
Love it, love it.
Put a fan up and hold it at you guys. It does, it smells amazing.
All right, here we go. You see that they're starting to pop now? Mm-hmm. That's exactly where we want them to be. At this point, I could go ahead and turn it off, but I'm not going to simply because it took too long for me to put in the orange peels inside there, so I'm not going to extract as much of the orange rolls that I want. So I'm just going to let this go ahead and simmer down a little bit more as we go on to the crostini, the bruschetta vegetables. Yeah, yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm up close to it, and I was just like, oh, it smelled like a Christmas candle.
Yeah, yeah, let's do that.
Would you like me to talk about Davis family hearing? I had kind of just figured if I could get through this, we'd be all right. But I can talk about hearing loss very easily. We do have 4 offices, one in Newport Richey, one in Spring Hill, one in Crystal River, and our newest one in the Villages that we're having a ton of fun with. We treat all ages. We have a staff of only
You're good.
board-certified doctors of audiology, and we treat newborns all the way up to geriatrics. We fit hearing aids, cochlear implants, bone conduction devices, treat tinnitus, or that annoying ringing in your ears, and do everything related with hearing imbalance. So we have an awful lot of fun.
Oh my goodness.
As you can tell, that's why I'm such a happy person. I live such a fun life, and then I come here and get to do stuff like this. I'm not lying. I love what I do.
I can see that. I really can.
I do.
You're definitely passionate
Get
about
to change lives all day, every day. It is life-changing. Did you know that Helen Keller, who was both deaf and blind, said that she hated being blind more than she hated being deaf? And the reason was because blindness disconnected her from her environment, but deafness disconnected her from people.
Understood.
Profound, huh?
That makes a lot of sense.
Mm-hmm. We get our joy out of communicating with each other. That's why people who have hearing loss can become isolated very easily and develop a slew of other health conditions because of that.
So how'd the pandemic hurt? Oh my goodness, how'd they, wow.
They all decided to come in and treat their hearing loss because their spouses wanted to kill them because the TVs were through the roof, and their spouses got really tired of repeating themselves, and so they all flew into my office during the pandemic, I can assure you.
So we've also got a huge awareness now going on because of that too.
We do. Everybody's very focused in on hearing loss. One of the main reasons is because there's a correlation between hearing loss and dementia. And Medicare in particular is very, very focused on hearing loss right now because hearing loss can lead to other health conditions that are substantially more expensive for them to treat.
I'm thinking hearing loss, isolation, lack of activity.
Yep.
I'm lost.
So you don't want to socialize because people laugh
Okay, I
at
got
you.
Yeah.
All right, here it is. I'm gonna do this in question format. So if you were in a wheelchair and you walked up to the door, what's the average person going to do?
Hopefully open the door.
Open the door for you.
Okay.
If you're socializing with friends and you mishear something and answer totally incorrectly, what do people do?
I guess they just assume and just move on.
They laugh at you. They laugh at
Understood.
you.
Understood.
And so you can only take that so much before it's just not fun anymore and you stop participating in the conversation, so you stay at home. What do you do when you stay at home?
Me, I binge watch
Drink.
and eat.
Binge watch and eat.
Okay.
So what would that lead to? Obesity. What does that lead to? Heart disease, diabetes, very expensive disorders to treat. Hearing loss is inexpensive
Understood.
to treat and very preventative.
All right, ready to taste this guy?
I am definitely ready to taste that.
That's all she gets.
This is for you guys.
You're getting some too.
I'm actually on this.
It's hot.
I'm on this Noom diet,
What's
and
that? I don't know it.
it's an app, and it's all about psychology and weight loss. It's working really well. I
And
lost like
cranberries are on there. You look great, by the way.
they are. Thank you very much. I've lost 13 pounds, but
That's awesome.
this
Congrats.
morning I ate fewer calories and had less coffee because I knew I was going to be coming here with you.
Because you need to be shooting cranberry chutney today.
Yeah. Just hoping it wasn't oysters. That's the most amazing thing I've ever had in my life. I'm not gonna lie. That is honestly. What are you doing? You don't want me to have any more, do you?
No, I want to find out if
It's
this
not
really
good
is
for
the most
my-
amazing thing you had in your life.
It really is the most amazing thing I've ever tasted. I'm not lying. I love the bruschetta, but
We are done with this one completely. So that's it. Guys, at this point, I could take out the orange peels, or I could just leave them be. Or I could take them out, chop them up, and put them right back in again. It's fine. It's up to you however you want to do it. We will go ahead and we will let this guy set inside a refrigerator, and it
how
will
much
chill
does it
up.
thicken?
I'm glad you asked. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh, look at that.
It will come out looking like that at the
Just
very
like
end.
cranberry sauce.
Done. Done.
Can I have some of that?
Yes, you may.
You're destroying my diet today, just so you know, but it's okay. Is this room temperature?
Yes.
Okay. So it's better at room temperature because you get the natural flavors, right?
Well, yeah, I prefer all the
Thank you.
better flavors on that. So, let's expand this just a little bit more.
So good.
Pork. Do some roast pork with it.
Ooh,
Okay.
that would be really good.
Yeah. Your turkey. We're doing this for the holidays. Great with turkey as well too. I would stay away from fish. And wouldn't quite go that route with it. Chicken, turkey, and pork. Excellent to go with this. Thank you all. This is our cranberry chutney. Finally nice and finished and ready.
It's delicious.
I know. All right. We will see you guys next week for our bruschetta, roasted vegetable bruschetta. And Joan, thank you so much.
Thank you. I
This was
can't
fun.
wait to taste next week.
Oh, it's real quick. Don't worry. We get it done.
Love it.
Take care, guys. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.